Life just been lifing, girl. It's been lifing.
No basic zone.
What's up, Stush gang? Happy March. I'm not gonna lie, March has not been so happy. It's only day 2 of March, but I just gotta be real with y'all. It has not been cookies and cream. But happy March. Welcome back to another day in the Stush life. It is my birthday month. We are just a couple of days from my birthday, which is crazy. Don't look like I'm finna have a birthday, right? But anyways, we're a couple of days from my birthday. It's also the birthday month of my car, Onyx. So right now I'm actually headed to go get her inspected. So before we start the vlog off, before we get into what's going on to prepare for my birthday, I don't even know what this vlog is about to be, child. I don't even know. I'm just recording as I go because there are times when I don't feel like picking up the camera, i.e. yesterday it was an ish show. And then, you know, times where I can't pick up the camera. So before we start the vlog off, make sure you leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe down below and join the Stush game. Become part of the Stush game. Become a Stush gal. And also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at the Stush Life. So as you guys can see, I'm in the car. I just got home from work not too long ago, and I'm about to go get my car inspected because it's that time. So let's go. Never in my life have I put my car on top of underneath another one. He was telling her to come. I'm like, no, you come, because I don't know if my car needs to go underneath another car. But here we are. Tell them some richer than last year. Fresh Louis V, fresh Nike here. Wow. Hey y'all, today is Friday, and I just got off work not too long ago. Listen, I've been well, I started the vlog yesterday. I'm not gonna say I've been vlogging. Let me turn this heat off. I'm not gonna say I've been vlogging, but I've been vlogging. But I don't know, I'm vlogging, but like I'm not ready to upload, like, if that makes sense. Like I'm not ready to necessarily sit down and curate content, but I'm vlogging. Weird. But I'm at the mall because I'm trying to find something for my birthday. I told myself that I don't really need to buy anything, and I don't really need to buy anything, but I'm also not really like obsessed with anything that I have to wear for my birthday. I typically do dinner. I'm gonna do dinner, but you guys will see what I'm gonna do or where I'm gonna be, or I don't know, girl. I'm being real weird, like, for what, girl? For what? But I don't know, it's just been a real weird like March, and it's only like day 2. This man is looking at me. He's probably like, who is she talking to? I'm talking to the peeps. I'm talking to my gal them, the Stush gal them, the Stush gang. But yeah, I'm at the mall, so I'm gonna run in Zara to see what they have, and then I want to run to Forever 21 because I could always curate an outfit at Forever 21. Listen, they have a co-art set, and I'm good. And I'm good to go. But I'm gonna check out Zara because I have not been in Zara in forever. Even that sale that they had recently, that's the first time I've ever not shopped a Zara sale. Kudos to me. I haven't really been buying anything, and I love that for me, but I've been paying bills, like, and I think that's why I haven't been buying ish either. Careless things like tickets and stuff, but we're not gonna get into that. Life just been lifing, girl. It's been lifing. So I'm gonna go in and see if I find anything, since I feel like I don't have anything. I know I have stuff, but nothing that I per se want to wear for my birthday. So I'm gonna see. I do have this corset top, denim, that I might want to find a bottom for, or maybe I'll just scratch that and find something new. But I'm gonna go inside. I'll vlog inside. I don't think I'm gonna like, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll vlog inside. I'll show you guys what I find and update you guys. But let's go.
Huh? This dressing room is mad big. Oh, so we're coming in. I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you won't kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't do my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high. Project, this ain't what you want.
It's giving a lot chopper. I don't know if I like the shirt. I wouldn't wear it like this. I'm not feeling it still. And these jeans, are they making it for people with BBLs? Because what's going on here? I feel like my hips look mad wide. And then it does the butt justice, but like, okay. Well, these are entirely too small for me to add. The booty's poking though. Sorry y'all, this went in my way. Okay, booty. Okay, booty. Hey gang, hey gang, hey gang, hey gang. Today is Saturday, it's the next day. I'm at the house because I wanted to make a return. So did I even, no, I didn't show y'all that set, but I'll insert a picture. Maybe it won't even matter. But I bought, oh yes, beautiful. Give me a second. This hole, somebody's getting out. Sorry about that. I was in a parking spot that was not a parking spot. I didn't realize. I don't even know, because there's a white line, then there's a blue line. So I'm confused. Like, is it for a handicap or is it not for a handicap? Anyway, I bought some stuff yesterday. I'll show you guys what I bought when I get home. Let's not worry about what I bought right now because we outside doing things that we need to do. But I'm currently at Sephora. I want to just come in and see what they have. What does everyone need to check in Sephora for? Things that they don't need. But I wanted to come in and see what they had. This is the location my friend works at, but he's actually not here today. But he told me what they have and stuff, so I want to just go in and see it for myself. I really am trying to find this K-Skin lip product and maybe something else. But I'm gonna go in, I'll show you guys a few things in there, and then I have to return this jacket that I bought for this two-piece set at Forever 21 yesterday. I don't think I brought you guys into Forever 21 because at that point I was kind of like over it. Being 100% real with y'all. So, and it was raining, it was just too much going on. So I'm gonna return the top. I decided to just keep the skirt. So I'm gonna return that, and I'm also going to run to Marshall's probably. But we're currently in front of Sephora, so let's go inside Sephora, see what's going on there, because I feel like it's already a zoo and it's like 2 o'clock. So let's get that out the way.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you.
What is up? I feel like since I've started this vlog, I've came on here every single day looking crazy. But listen, I'm preparing for my birthday. So today I did wash my hair. As you guys can see, I have my turban on my head. And I also finished packing for the most part. So I did tell you guys I'm going away for my birthday. Y'all will see in the next vlog. I don't even know what's going on in my YouTube life right now. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I don't even know what's going on in my YouTube life. But you guys will see at some point where I go. But I've basically finished packing for the most part. I'm actually about to go and do my cousin's makeup because she's going to an event and she asked me if I could do her makeup. So I'm not going to be vlogging, but that's what I'm doing today. And I also need to soak my nails off because y'all know me, press on mommy. Even for my birthday, I wore press-ons for my birthday last year. I think that last year was my first time wearing press-ons for my birthday, but I'm running it back this year, like easy peasy lemon squeezy. All I need to do is bring my glue. So I need to soak these off so that way I can apply my press-ons. That is real rude. You are interrupting a soon-to-be birthday girl. Very rude. I don't know what press-ons I want to wear. I should look at my little collection. Let's do that. So a few of you guys know that I went ahead and put all my press-on nails into a organizer. This is similar to a pill organizer. You could use one of those too, but I got this one from, I want to say Marshall's. Don't quote me. But all of my press-on nails are in here, and then I've organized them. But I also have these that I haven't worn as yet. These I have worn at least once for the most part. Except for these. I haven't worn these. Oh, I don't know if I want to wear those though. Yeah, I don't know if I want to wear those. But when I say those, I mean these. These are extra long kiss nails. Y'all ain't ready for that. Y'all ain't ready for that. And when I say y'all, I mean me as well. I'm not ready for that. But I also recently purchased these. I think I showed you guys when I purchased these. These Ardell nails. I feel like I'm leaning towards those. I also have these that I purchased when I was in Atlanta. These are cute too. Lottie at Walmart. And I have these black and white ones. Cow print. These I got at Marshall's, TJ Maxx. And then I have these that I purchased at Target that I've worn once already. I actually really like these. So I don't know. I need to decide. I need to look at my outfits and see which ones work the best for my outfits. But I feel like I'm liking the metallic ones right now. I don't know. I got to figure it out. But I need to finish getting myself together, like packing makeup and stuff to do my cousin's face. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that. Finish getting that done. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I'm so over her. So over her. But I did want to come on here and say, hey. Yesterday, I brought you guys on the road. I only picked up one thing from Sephora. Where is it? Picked up this. This is the K-Skin. Oh, it's upside down. No wonder. This is the K-Skin Sun Care Isle Lip Balm with SPF 30 in the shade Bad Gal Berry. Sis made an item based off me. Winnie. You were entirely too sweet for that. Too sweet for that. I saw this and I said, I gotta go get this. Like, what? I'm surprised they didn't send it to me. Because, like, if you made it after me, why you didn't send it to me? But I had to go get this. Y'all know, if it's berry, I'm gonna go get it. And black woman, Korean woman, I had to go pick it up. Jamaican gal as well. I had to pick it up. This is what it looks like. And it is tinted. I don't know if I'm ready to test it out for y'all yet, but it is tinted. It looks, I don't know why I did that, but it is tinted and it is a berry shade. So I got that, and these are reasonably priced. They're only $14 at Sephora. I'm sorry. I think that's not bad for a Sephora item. This is the shade. So yeah, I picked this one up, and it has ingredients that include sea moss. If you're Jamaican, if you're Caribbean, you know sea moss is, everybody using sea moss for everything now. The rest of them been on it. Sea moss, aloe stem cells, and vitamin E. So I think one of her core ingredients is sea moss. So I think she probably trademarked that, so no one else can really use that in their beauty brands. Typically, that's what some brands do. Like, you can't like advertise that being like your first ingredient. That's what I learned at Sephora when I used to work there. Like, you can use it, but you can't advertise it as like one of your top core ingredient. But yeah, let me finish packing this makeup to go, because my cousin's about to be ringing my phone real soon for her to pick me up. So I'll check back in later. Bye. Hey guys, today is Monday. I'm about to do my hair. I wanted to come on here and just let y'all know what I was doing. I'm doing cornrows. I just bought hair and I'm about to get it braided. I'm very excited because my natural hair has been out for like week and a half, and I'm ready to put her back up. I'm ready to get her out the way. So we're doing braids, so I'll show you guys my hair before once it's all combed out, and I'll also show you guys my hair after. I still haven't decided on my style, but I know I'm getting cornrows, so let me go do that so we can get this started and get it going. And I'm also going to do my nails as well. I've decided on the metallics, I think I told you guys, for my nails, because I'm going to do those as well. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it.
That I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he in me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. This is how my hair looks. I kind of try to get a clip showing you guys how my hair looks, but my hair is done. Nails are also done. I went ahead and applied my chrome press-ons from Ardell. I got these at Marshall's, I think. They cute or whatever. It's giving futuristic. I don't know what that was. Do not mind me. But I'm basically all packed. I don't think I told you guys where I'm going in this vlog, but you guys will see that in the next vlog. I know I haven't really been vlogging. I've been kind of like all over the place. I'm not gonna lie to you. We're gonna be right back. And that's also why I haven't been uploading, because I've been trying to prep for this and trying to figure out what I wanted to do, like here, trip wise, planning my whole life out, because I'm a planner. Like when I'm going somewhere, I like to have a whole itinerary. So I've been trying to do my research and stuff for that as well. So yeah, that's the reason for that. So I apologize for not vlogging as often as I typically would, not coming on camera as I typically would, but the vlog that's coming after this, be very prepared. It's finna be long. I'm already not ready to edit it, but it's finna be long and it's finna be worth your while. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I was looking around. We'll do some other. Sorry, I was looking around to see if there was anything that I had to show you guys, but I just reminded myself. I just thought about it. I need to bring my neck pillow. That I need for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, the little that I vlogged. I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. If you did, make sure you leave a girl a thumbs up down below, subscribe down below as well. You don't want to miss the next video, so make sure you subscribe, make sure your post notifications are turned on. Also go ahead and leave your girl a happy, excuse you, I'm doing my outro. Also go ahead and make sure you guys comment happy birthday Stushy down below. My birthday is in just a couple of days, so make sure you guys comment happy birthday. By the time this video goes up, my birthday would have passed, but in the event that you weren't able to wish me happy birthday on my actual birthday, comment happy birthday down below. Thank you in advance. And make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at the Stush Life. You might see where I'm at before this video comes out, because I'll be editing this when I get back from where I'm at, so that'll be like mega much. But nonetheless, make sure you guys follow me on the gram, follow me on TikTok and all that good stuff. And until the next video, I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I know it wasn't much, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. We back. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.